Hi, we received this motion sensor outdoor light as a gift so that we could install it and show you how it works. It was so incredibly easy. So there's different things you can do. You can actually mount it with screws like into your siding, or you can use the clip and this pole to actually clip it, which was so super fast. So you just use the pole through the clip there, and then the other end of it goes up through the light. You can see there's some different light panels, and those are adjustable on the angle as well. So that was super easy to put together. And then there's the solar panel on the back, and of course you need to switch it over to on the back when you first put it together. Then that solar panel is going to start absorbing the sunlight and charging that light. So as you can see, my husband is just clipping it to the gutter. It only took a few seconds. Took him a few seconds to put those three pieces together, and took him a few seconds to actually clip it to the gutter. And you could clip it to a fence. There's a good amount of space in that clip, so there's a lot of versatility there. There's the remote, which I'll show you again here in just a moment. Now I'm going to try to point to where it is on the gutter. It's still in the same spot. My husband's going to come out here in a moment, and you'll see exactly the placement of it. Here he comes, and there it goes on. It sensed his motion before he even came out the door, which was really nice. He was especially excited about this because this is an area of our backyard where there isn't a lot of light. So he was excited to have this light back here, and especially because it's solar and so easy to install with that clip. So with the remote, you've got 3 different modes, and they go in between, back and forth between like the brightness and then the motion sensing of it. And so like you can have it so that it's on 30% of the time like that, like always, or you can set it to sensing. So he's super tickled about it. We really like it.